We're back on this 1990 Honda. There's a little noise. They did not say anything about the noise from the compressor. It's not the fan. Now, there was no mention. You know, it's always bad when you don't get the whole story. But, let's see. Noise is gone. Noise is coming back. And just gonna hit 300,000 miles. This was an old Honda, unlike today's Hondas. This Honda might go another 100,000, so it should make it to 400,000. But the only damage that possibly could have happened is they let it go down on refrigerant level, possibly causing damage in the first place. If they would have never let the refrigerant run out in the first place, the compressor might still be in good condition. But what do we got here? I don't have no pinch or temperature gun, so let's use my fingers. What do we got here? We got cold. We got warm. How you like my diagnosis? I'm using the beer can cold method. Oh, let me use a sight glass too, because there's those guys who like to use sight glasses. But this is a fixed piston mechanical compressor with a clutch. So this is going back to old school methods. And this was originally R12. Now, if this was still R12, they have 134 in it now. If it was still R12, I would kind of use the sight glass in my old school days. But I could definitely tell that this is low on refrigerant, because this is just not a little bit of bubbles. And something doesn't fit right. And I could see the brownish oil, yellowish oil up on the corner with the old mineral oil. They put ester oil in there, that's flowing with the refrigerant. But the mineral oil is just kind of scooting along the surfaces of the glass underneath from inside. So we will I'll break out the leak detector. I already went over it with the UV dye. And it looks like it appears the expansion valve is working good on this thing. So I know that's working. And I'm going through all the controls. See it down below. Yep, the flaps are working good. Floor only. The floor is working. Yep, that's excellent. Good, strong, really strong blow. Floor and defrost working good. All the vents, no vents are broke. None of the things are stuck or anything like that. They're all working good. Yep, I can hear it flip over from outside to inside. That works good. Got to check all the speeds. Oh, that one's dead. Okay, they got a dead number 2. Number 3 works. Number 4 works. Okay, they got to look into that. So they have no number 1 and number 2. They only have the higher stage. So they get into the wiring schematic and go. Some guys know these things off the top of their head when they go out all the time. They know exactly what it is. But if you don't, RTFM. And okay, and if I go over to warm, get out here. Here we come. The heat is coming. Okay, we're over 100. All right, that's working. And that's nice and icy cold immediately. I mean, the heat just disappeared. Very good working system. Back in the days when Honda knew how to make cars. Not like the shit piles they make nowadays that seem like they're American-made cars. Anything America cars are shit. Even if it was from a Japanese company, if it's produced in one of our American plants, what a crap show that is. Hey, this guy has a good system. Or this gal has a good system. And we'll let them know to diagnose this. Oh, I gotta get the leak detector, look for more leaks. But other than that, it's a good old Honda when Honda was good. See you guys.